Good morning and welcome to the Geekology channel. Trev's the name, Geeky's the game. Today we're going to be talking to you about Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos is a 7.1 surround sound experience. I don't have the ceiling speakers which would make it true Atmos, but I have an 8-speaker system which I'll be demoing against Ultra HD. Why listen to your music in surround? It may be the question you've been asking yourself all these years. Well, now you can have a look and see if the answer is that you need to be experiencing surround sound as opposed to the traditional stereo experience. I'll give you all the answers here as I give you a brief rundown in the background of all the equipment I'm going to be using to do this demo today. You will experience the best sound quality if you listen to this demo with earphones, as I have recorded this in binaural. So that is with a set of binaural in-ear mics, as I'll be demoing shortly, as I switch the television on for you and tell you what I'm using. It's only a cheap adapter, USB-C to HDMI, but it enables me to be absolutely certain that I'm using my Google Chromebook and that is demoing it in Dolby Atmos as opposed to Ultra HD. Atmos will be number one of the music. There'll be 90-second snippets available here on the YouTube video, but the usual full-length downloads will be available on the description in the YouTube links provided. I'm giving you the lowdown as to how I'm recording this. It's actually relatively simple once you've been doing it a while, so I don't need to change much of the settings. I just need to make sure I get the sound levels fairly close, and here comes the demo now. Sit back and enjoy.